I'm with one of the best advocates for cuisine in the world, but also for induction cooking. And chef, one of the big myths is that people really feel that you cannot get wok-hei, which is the breath of the wok, with induction. You have an answer for this. Tell us about it.
Well, first of all, a lot of people have a misunderstanding. They don't understand what created wok-hei.
Yes.
When you grill something at a high temperature,
Yep.
what you're smelling is the caramelization, the protein being cooked and chopped, and then it creates that aroma.
Yes.
It doesn't matter whether you use gas or induction burner, as long as you can create that intensity of heat. When it is hot enough, you put the things in, it sears the meat and seals it just like a grill, just like oven. It creates that caramelization. That is the breath of the wok. This induction technology, by far, is much more efficient. Energy saving, more efficient, and also heats up so fast and create that intensity of heat of the frying pan, the cooking vessel, not the gas itself. Because the gas doesn't create wok-hei. This, the heat of this, the temperature of this cooking vessel created the wok-hei.
We've heard it from the master himself. Thank you, chef.
My pleasure.